Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's lesson is one that so many of you have asked me about, and honestly, it's something that happens to everyone. You buy something at the store. Maybe it breaks. Maybe it doesn't fit. Maybe it's just not what you expected. And now, you need to return it, but you don't know what to say in English. You feel nervous. You're not sure if you're using the right words. Today, I'm going to fix that. I'll give you 10 simple, natural phrases you can actually use. When you return something at a store or ask for a refund, these are real phrases. Phrases that Americans use every day at places like Target, Walmart, Home Depot, Zara, you name it. Let's get into it. Before we start, let me tell you something important. In the United States, returning items is very normal. It's not rude. It's not embarrassing. It's just part of shopping. Most stores have a return policy. That means rules about when and how you can bring something back. And when you walk up to the customer service desk, the employee is there to help you. So don't be afraid to speak up. Okay, let's learn your 10 phrases. Phrase 1. I'd like to return this. This is your starter phrase. This is the first thing you say when you walk up to the counter. I'd like to return this. I'd like means I want to, but it sounds much more polite. Let's practice. I'd like to return this jacket. I'd like to return this blender. I'd like to return this shirt. It doesn't fit.
Hi, I'd like to return this.
Sure. Do you have your receipt?
Simple, direct, polite. Perfect. Phrase 2. This isn't what I expected. Sometimes you buy something and it's just not what you thought. Maybe the color looks different in person. Maybe the quality is poor. Maybe it's smaller than it looked online. This isn't what I expected. This phrase is polite and honest. You're not blaming anyone, you're just explaining the situation. I bought this online, but this isn't what I expected. I saw it in the ad, but this isn't what I expected. The color looks different. This isn't what I expected.
Hi, I'd like to return this sweater. This isn't what I expected. The color looks much darker in person.
No problem. Let me look up your order.
Phrase 3. It stopped working after 1 day. Or it broke after just a few days. Oh, this one is so frustrating. You buy something, you get home, and it breaks. Or it stops working. It stopped working after 1 day. It broke after just a few days. Stopped working is very natural American English. It's better than saying it is broken, though that works too. The zipper stopped working after 1 day. The charger broke after just a few days. This blender stopped working the same night I bought it.
Hi, I'd like to return this phone charger. It stopped working after 1 day.
Oh, wow. I'm sorry about that. Let me process a refund for you.
Phrase 4. Can I get a full refund? Now you want your money back. All of it, you say. Can I get a full refund? Full refund means all of your money comes back to you. Not just some of it, all of it. Can I get a full refund on this? Is it possible to get a full refund? I'd like a full refund, please.
The product was damaged when I opened it. Can I get a full refund?
Absolutely. Can I see your receipt?
Vocabulary note. A refund is when the store gives your money back. A partial refund means only some of the money comes back. A full refund means all of it. Phrase 5. Do you have a return policy? Sometimes you're not sure. Can you even return this? You want to check the rules first. Do you have a return policy? Every store has different rules. Some stores let you return items within 30 days. Some say 90 days. Some say final sale only, which means no returns at all. Excuse me, do you have a return policy? What's your return policy for electronics? Can you explain your return policy to me?
Hi, I bought this item last week. Do you have a return policy?
Yes, we accept returns within 30 days with a receipt.
Pro tip for ESL learners. If you're nervous, you can also just say, "Can I return this?" Simple and clear. Phrase 6. I have my receipt right here. In America, stores almost always ask for your receipt. A receipt is the paper, or email, that shows you paid. I have my receipt right here. Right here means you have it with you, in your hand, on your phone, ready to show. I have my receipt right here. Physical paper. I have the email receipt on my phone. Digital receipt. I don't have the receipt, but I paid with my credit card. When you don't have it. Tip. Many stores can look up your purchase using your credit card or phone number, even without a paper receipt.
I'd like to return this. I have my receipt right here.
Great, let me scan that for you.
Phrase 7. Can I exchange this for a different size? Maybe you don't want your money back. You just want the right size or the right color. Can I exchange this for a different size? Exchange means you give the store the item and they give you a different one. Can I exchange this for a large? Can I exchange this for a different color? I'd like to exchange this for a medium if you have one. Vocabulary. Return equals give the item back, get money back. Exchange equals give the item back, get a different item.
This fits a little small. Can I exchange this for a large?
Of course. Let me check if we have your size in stock.
Phrase 8. I never opened it. This phrase is very helpful because it shows the item is still in perfect condition. I never opened it. Never opened it means the packaging is still sealed. You haven't used it at all. This makes returns much easier. I never opened it. It's still in the box. I never used it. The tags are still on. It's in the original packaging. I never opened it. Related phrases. The tags are still on. For clothing. It's still sealed. For boxes or packages. I never wore it. For shoes or clothes.
I'd like to return this. I never opened it. It's still in the original box.
Perfect. That makes things easy. Let's get you a refund.
Phrase 9. Can I get store credit instead? Sometimes a store can't give you cash back, but they offer store credit. That means you get the money as a gift card or a credit to use at that store. Can I get store credit instead? Instead means in place of something else. In this case, in place of cash. I don't have the receipt. Can I get store credit instead? Can I get store credit instead of a refund? Is store credit an option? Vocabulary. Store credit equals money that stays at that store. You can only use it there. It's not cash.
I don't have my receipt anymore. Can I get store credit instead?
Yes, we can put the value on a gift card for you.
Phrase 10. I'd like to speak with a manager. Sometimes the employee says no. Maybe they say the return window is closed, or there's some kind of problem. If you feel the situation is unfair, it's completely okay to calmly say, I'd like to speak with a manager, please. This is not rude in American culture as long as you say it calmly and politely. A manager has more authority and can sometimes approve things the regular employee cannot. I understand, but I'd like to speak with a manager, please. Could I talk to a manager about this? Is there a manager I can speak with? Important. Say this calmly. Smile. Use please. The goal is to solve the problem, not to make anyone feel bad.
I understand your policy, but I'd like to speak with a manager, please. I bought this just 2 days ago.
I'm sorry for the trouble. Let me see what I can do.
Okay, let's do a fast review. Repeat after me. 1. I'd like to return this. 2. This isn't what I expected. 3. It stopped working after 1 day. 4. Can I get a full refund? 5. Do you have a return policy? 6. I have my receipt right here. 7. Can I exchange this for a different size? 8. I never opened it. 9. Can I get store credit instead? 10. I'd like to speak with the manager, please. Amazing! You now have everything you need to return something at any store in the US. Real-life tips before you go. Before I sign off, here are a few quick tips. Tip 1. Always keep your receipt, or at least the email confirmation if you bought online. Tip 2. Check the return window before you go. Most stores have a 30 or 90-day limit. Tip 3. Bring your credit card. Even without a receipt, many stores can find your purchase. Tip 4. Be polite and calm. Employees are much more willing to help when you're friendly. Tip 5. If you feel nervous, practice what you want to say before you walk in. Even just saying it quietly to yourself in the car helps. All right, that's it for today. You learned 10 real phrases for returning items and getting refunds in English. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. And if you want more real-life English lessons like this one, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.